In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Hostinger and Dark Slate Gray Dash Quail-920442.hostingersite.com. First, log into your Hostinger account and open hPanel. On the home dashboard, head to Websites. This is where all your hosted sites live. Find the site you want to adjust and open its WordPress tools by clicking WP Admin. That takes you straight into your WordPress dashboard without hunting for URLs or credentials. Inside WordPress, look at the left sidebar for Lightspeed Cache. This plugin powers server-level caching on Hostinger and is the control center for speeding up your pages. Click it, then expand the More section to reveal the general cache options we'll work with today. Start with Enable Cache. Turn this on to allow Lightspeed to store and serve cached versions of your pages. Cached pages are pre-built snapshots, so visitors get content much faster and you save server resources. If you're doing heavy development and need to see every change instantly, you can temporarily turn it off and re-enable it when you're done. Next, decide on cache logged-in users. For most membership sites, dashboards, or stores where users see personalized data, leave this off, because caching can show stale or incorrect information. If your logged-in experience is identical for everyone and doesn't include private data, you can safely enable it for extra speed. Then review cache commenters. If your site gets lots of comments and commenters see the same content as other visitors, enabling this can help performance. If you rely on dynamic features around comments, consider keeping it off to avoid outdated comment states. Move to Cache REST API. If you run a headless front end, use dynamic blocks, or depend on live data in the WordPress REST API, turn this off to ensure fresh responses. For simple blogs that don't rely on the API heavily, turning it on can reduce load. Now check Cache Login Page. This can reduce repeated requests to the login screen, but it may interfere with security plugins or CAPTCHAs. Only enable it if your login flow works correctly after testing, otherwise leave it off. Finally, look at Cache Mobile. Enable this if you use a separate mobile theme or serve significantly different layouts to mobile devices. If your site is purely responsive with the same HTML for desktop and mobile, you can leave it off and let the default cache handle both. When you finish toggling, browse a few pages in a private window to confirm everything looks right. That's it. Your cache settings are now tailored to your site's needs.